You've got an idea, maybe it's a tool for early detection of plant disease or pest, or you just want to understand crop health, but you're not entirely sure which sensing technology to use or how it's going to work in a farming context. At the UK Agri-Tech Centre, we support agri-tech companies from their initial idea through design, proof of concept, testing, and ultimately commercialisation. We provide access to advanced sensing technologies, including hyperspectral imaging, solar-induced fluorescence imaging, ground-penetrating radar, and LiDAR. These tools are critical for developing technologies including robotics, AI, data systems, and engineering biology. What really sets us apart is our unique combination of advanced facilities and deep agricultural domain expertise. We operate a range of facilities both independently and with support from partners, including the plant phenotyping and soil health facility behind me. Our network of over 20 partner farms across the UK gives us access to real-world testing facilities backed up by unique and high-quality ground truth coming from our lab-based facilities and remote sensing capabilities. Remote sensing enables non-invasive, real-time, high-precision data collection. It supports a wide range of agricultural applications, including crop health, pest detection, irrigation management, and the creation of maps, robotics, and AI. Our sensing capabilities enable developers to build high-performing AI models and validate their performance. For example, in the Vista project, we used a LiDAR sensor to create a very high-resolution map as training data for an image-based mapping system. We also help companies to optimize sensor design using high-quality data to simulate what a lower-cost, more scalable solution would look like. Take Vertinetic, a UAV and remote sensing startup. With our support, they developed Erdo, a tree health monitoring platform. Using our hyperspectral and LiDAR equipment, we conducted aerial surveys to detect ash dieback early. We also facilitated research partnerships, helping them scale into a cost-effective forest health tool. Whether you're developing a new sensor, building an AI model, or precision agriculture tool, we offer the facilities, expertise, and context to help you succeed. We're here to help your idea move forward. Visit our website or email us to start the conversation.